Good morning, guys. This is our home in Tigbawan. Papasok na ang gate. Ito is the school. School and at the same time church. Church talaga na may preschool. Tigbawan Fundamental Baptist Learning Center. Yun sa kabila is the Baptist Church. Ito katabi lang ng gate namin. At saka yung family namin is part of the mission to propagate this church. Ito na. Ito yung maliit na kamalig. Pwede din matulog dyan. Yan, ito yung surrounding areas. Yan yung bahay ng isa kong pamangkin, si Florence. Tsaka dyan sila nakatira. Si Florence at tsaka si Marvin. Ayan pala yung church, katabi lang. So, yan. Sobrang mapuno. Malunggay. Kinukuha ko yung stock. Tapos, pinapakuluan and yan ang iniinom ko. Yan. Dito ako nag-stay sa pamangkin ko. Kay Gigi yan. Yan bahay nila. Yan. Tutur. Kung muna kayo sa labas. Actually, yan ang bahay namin. Yan o. Kaya lang nasunog. Nasunog, pero hindi na namin napagawa ulit. Hopefully. Ang baho. Ayan. Pasok tayo. Ayan. Pasok tayo. May sister kasama ko yan. Ito yung bahay. The sala. Ayan. The kitchen. Tapos may isang room dito. Yan. Room ni Gigi. Yan. Here's the dining area. Daming kalat, no? The dining area. The kitchen. What do you mean nakaset? May sound?
Na-arrange.
It's okay. Impromptu alis na tayo. And here's the kitchen. The kitchen area. Tapos may may garden sa labas. Hindi na ako lalabas Mainit. Yan yung garden area. Tapos, yan ang CR. Yan, yung nakasara. Tapos, tour ko kayo sa loob ng room. Sorry, makalat. Where we are staying. Aircon naman dito. Yan. Yan ang gamit ko. yan ang hinihigaan ko for almost a week na nandito ako. Yan. Kalat na. Wait lang, baka kung anong makita nyo dyan. Wait lang. Yan, dito ka doon. Daming kalat, yan. Yan. Hindi nga ako marunong mag-fix ng bed, mamaya na lang. Sorry. Yan. On ko nga yung electric fan. Wait lang. Daming kalat, no? Daming kalat. This is my temporary home. Pag nandito ako, suki na ako dito. Suki na ako sa kwarto na ito. Lalabas na tayo. Ito yung binili ko sa palengke. Ito yung binili ko sa palengke dahil ay nagbibili. Yung puto kasi dito made of ano yung rice, hindi flour. Kaya masarap. From the outside, going out. Punta sana ako dun sa bahay namin na nasunog. Ay, huh? Dito pa lang, oh. Diba ang ganda? Dito pa lang, tumayo ka pa lang dito, ganun na.
Kanina ako may naaamoy pa ako kanina.
Gahod kayo naga-vlog ako. Oh, di ba? Here pa lang. I can't stand it dahil pupunta sana ako doon.
Ay, doon na lang.
Show na sunog na bahay, pero
Walang pagi doon dito.
ayoko ganun na din. Masela ng ilong ko, te. Sasakit ang ilong ko.
Wala kang COVID.
Ha?
Wala kang COVID.
Wala talaga. Sensitive my nose. From afar ko lang na anuhan.
Na ito.
Na videohan.
This plant
What's-
believed to be
What?
a medicinal one. Lately, it was discovered that it can cure many.
But how will you
Many
use it? You
illness.
have to boil it?
You
What?
have to boil it. Yes, you wash it and boil it.
Eh, mauubos sa atin yan.
Oo.
Binoil natin.
Yes, you have to boil it and drink it. It good for maintenance.
Maintenance na.
Everything.
High blood?
It's yes.
No.
High blood.
Hindi pala high blood,
Anything.
ano.
Yeah.
Hypertension. Mali naman ang aking
Yes.
term.
And
This is my,
used for
my eldest sister.
for stomach aches, everything. I think it's a wonder plant also.
Oh, what you call that?
Uh,
What you call that plant?
I remember this is called Baston ni San Jose.
Dami namin niya sa garden dati.
Yes.
Nila mama.
Baston ni San Jose. Call it, but lately, it is discovered that it can cure many illnesses.
How about that one? That is palmera, di ba?
Palmera is just for luck.
Oh, alak. Okay, sige. Sige, you do the vlogging, please. You said this is also medicinal.
No,
I know.
I don't think so.
How about this one?
I do not know that one.
Okay, what else? Of course, the malunggay.
Oo.
The malunggay tree. Talagang ano yan. Ate, ano nga yan? Yan ba yung ano yan?
Mahogany.
Mahogany. Hindi, para siyang may bunga. Ano yan?
Yes, mahogany may bunga.
O,
Yun,
anong-
over there.
Anong ginagawa dyan sa bunga?
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Make it close up over there.
I do. Yan, yan.
Mahogany is also believed to cure hypertension. The seeds.
Talaga.
Yeah, oo. Boil
Di,
it.
dapat wala na tayong mga amlodipine
Yes,
kung
talaga.
inaasahan natin yung mga
At
yan,
saka
di ba?
hindi na-discover eh. It is lately now that students are discovering many things because
Alam ko kasi
they
ang
don't
mahog-
want to depend on synthetic medicine.
Parang too late naman.
Mm.
Ang alam ko mahogany kasi ginagamit yung kahoy for furnitures. Tama ba?
Yes. The one we have seated over there in the church, it is mahogany.
Mahogany.
Yeah,
Ang
mahogany.
bench
Yung
natin.
bench, very beautiful. It was donated by a parishioner. And they
Yeah.
also made just the labor is only paid.
Ang ganda, oh. Green na green, oh. Green na green, pero let's go get in kay iba da ang
Uy,
ko.
green man.
Ang
Doon,
boat. Base sa ido.
Hindi na sa ila. Kanina nung nakita akong naglalabahin nandun, siguro yung tsaka doon.
galing, di ba?
Ito kasi may nagapanghi niya mong gabi.
Ambot ah.
Hmm.
Oh, okay na. Siguro naka 10. Naka 10 and a half minutes na ako. Para last day na namin. We're going home later tonight. We'll be back in Manila by midnight siguro. Bye.